हेलो सीए फाइनल स्टूडेंट सर, आई मीन सीए इंटर. अरे पहुंच जाओगे यार सीए फाइनल में. यू विल रीच सीए फाइनल एएसएपी. आई नो दैट. And in few years time you will become a very good chartered accountant. First of all, congratulations for having a fighter attitude. Yes, you have a fighter attitude. इसलिए तो सीए कोर्स सिलेक्ट किया. बॉस, हमारे टाइम पे इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं थे. You had lots of options and still you went for CA course. That is something which deserves a huge big congratulations. All right. चलिए. Now you want best lectures for CA inter audit and you are looking at the right place. You are looking at the right video. Frankly boss, digital marketing नहीं आता मुझे. All right, because that is not my subject. So when you go on YouTube, when you go on Google and stuff, all right, there's a lot of paid marketing going on nowadays, and that is why you may not find my name as the very first name for best audit faculty and stuff. All right, because nowadays all of that is paid. But let me tell you, not even a single follower, not even a single subscriber I have added on my list which is a fake subscriber. No, जो भी है genuine आपके सामने है. All right, and you can go to my May 24 revision videos. You can see the love of the students. You can go to my Telegram group. You can see the love of the students. All right, and automatically you will realize why you should enroll with me. 11th year of experience, boss. I've taught almost every. I've taught almost in every major city of India. City, towns, everywhere I've taught. Where you say Mumbai से लेके Delhi से लेके Kolkata से लेके Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bangalore. You name the city and I've been over there. All right. And that is the reason I know the mentality of the students. I know वो लोग कहाँ पे struggle करते हैं. I know the problems. Alright. And even in the recorded lectures, it's not just in studio I'm recording. No. I don't like that kind of recording. मैं live lectures रखता हूँ. I keep live lectures live लेता हूँ. Alright. And then when you see the lectures, you feel that yes, he knows our problems. Alright. So don't worry about it. आप एक काम करो ना, 5 डेमो देख लो. I'll tell you everything about it. कैसे डेमो देख सकते हो, what is regular course, fast track course. Just stay till the end of the video. All right. So I have regular course, I have fast track course. Regular course is 90 hours, fast track course is 60 hours. Regular course हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स वर्जन में है, fast track course हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स वर्जन में है. And if you are South India student, then don't worry. Just 1 month back, I was in Bangalore and I have taken full regular course over there after May 24 attempt. All right. In front of 300 students at a very renowned coaching institute. And वही recording आपके साथ मैं share कर रहा हूँ. So you will really enjoy that. Okay. In fact, for regular course Hindi English also just couple of days back मैंने खत्म किया. I've just finished couple of days back. Fast track course also couple of months back I took a fast track batch. So everything is there. It's live proper recording. All right. So don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay. Now, sir, 90 hours. Some professors are taking 100 hours, 110 hours. You see the demo, you will realize that I don't speak nonsense in the class. I spend time in concept, question bank. Every single question also I'm discussing. In fact, I go till past 20 attempts question answer discussion में. Don't worry about it. फिर भी सब हो जाता है बेटा. वो तो क्या होता है that every professor has to justify its the fees that they are charging. That is why 100 hours, 110 hours ऐसा add होता रहता है. Now RTP, MTP and stuff that I give it for free on YouTube, so I don't keep on adding it to my course over here. Alright, so obviously वो 5-6 hours और add कर दो तो it will go to 100-110 hours or so. Alright, so RTP, MTP videos are there on my YouTube channel, and that is the reason. Alright, I don't add those hours over here. So that is in front of you. So difference between regular and fast track: content, question bank. Regular course में there are 2 books, content and question bank. Fast track course there is 1 book covering content and question bank. But don't worry, ये जो regular का content question bank है वही merge होके fast track में आता है. So paragraph wise, line by line, everything is same in regular and fast track. Teaching style is different. Regular course में I go little slow, then I write the point. Handwritten notes, more than 100 pages का handwritten notes का practice है in regular course. And then students copy it. I wait for them to copy. Alright. तो ये सब थोड़ा टाइम होता है उसमें. Slow and steady. Alright. In fast track course, the same notes I show it to the students. I discuss it with them. Alright. And then I share the PDF with them. Then students are supposed to copy on their own. Okay. तो ये difference है. In regular course, every single question, line by line, everything I am discussing in the class. Fast track course, question bank same है, 80 to 85% क्वेश्चन बैंक इज डिस्कस्ड, 15% क्वेश्चन बैंक इज गिवन एज होमवर्क, जो बहुत ही बेसिक एलिमेंट्री क्वेश्चंस है, दैट आई गिव इट एज होमवर्क. So that is how there is a difference between regular course and fast track course. Otherwise content wise, concept wise there is no difference. थोड़ा teaching style में difference है, इसलिए बोलता हूँ ना 3-4 डेमो देख लो आप. Maximum my team will allow you to see 5 demos. एक एक दो डेमो lectures are there on YouTube. Alright, 1-2 demo lectures are there on YouTube. You want to see more demos? Just download my mobile app from theauditacademy.com. Alright, you can see over here on the home page itself. Alright, there are links to download the mobile app. वो होम पेज पे नीचे नीचे स्क्रॉल करोगे, you will get that mobile app section. Don't worry about it. Yeah. So over here you will get student feedback and everything. पूरा sufficient, appropriate forensic evidence, everything is there. Alright. So in this, the Audit Academy mobile app, you go to the courses section. R1, R2, R3, R4. R stands for recorded. R1, R2, R3, R4. ये first 4 courses are for CA Inter. In that fast track English option is not available. Very sorry for that. The recording is still going on. अभी भी recording चल रहा है. बाकी R1, R2, R3, R4 आप देख लीजिए. Alright. And you can easily see first 5 demos over there and then take your decision. 5 demos is something I don't think everyone in the industry is going to offer. Alright, तो और क्या चाहिए आपको? Alright, as is a sufficient and appropriate evidence. You want to go for G Drive lectures, Google Drive lectures, either you can enroll from my mobile app. Lectures अगर आप mobile app में enroll करोगे, it will run on mobile app as well as laptop. Don't worry about it. Alright. You want to enroll for G Drive lectures, you can go to this website, audit lectures tab में जाइए and you can just select your preferable option over there. Validity views के हिसाब से the fees will keep changing, but let me tell you, I really want CA Inter students to come to CA final and become chartered accountants. That is why when you compare my fees with others, alright, I have kept it at a reasonably low price. Alright, तो ज़्यादा कोई profit margin नहीं रखा है at CA Inter level. That is the best that I can do for you. Alright, even if you don't join Pragnesh sir, it's okay. That is your decision. My love and my best wishes are still with you बेटा. आप ये फ्री रिसोर्सेज के लिए तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ जाना. यूट्यूब पे CA Inter CA फाइनल टेलीग्राम ग्रुप्स आर देयर, रिवीजन लेक्चर्स होते रहते हैं, MCQs आई कीप शेयरिंग. ऑलराइट, टेस्ट सीरीज होती रहती है. So these things will help you. बाकी contact number, inquiry number you will see in the description of the video also and you will see it over here also. आप चाहते हो कि मैं पर्सनली आपकी कोई क्वेरी सॉल्व करूं? WhatsApp on this number that I want Pragnesh sir to send me an audio note. Alright, and I will send you the audio note for your queries. बाकी admin queries and stuff वो तो आप even if you go to the website product description पढ़ लो तो भी solve हो जाएगा. Don't worry about it. And on the app also we have given it in the product description. Or you can ask my team also for that. Okay. बाकी जैसे standard duration वगैरह चलता है इंडस्ट्री में वैसे ही सब admin चीजें चलती रहती है. Okay. I really wish to see you at CA final level and then ultimately as a chartered accountant. My best wishes are with you. All the very best. All the very best, beta. Alright. Once again, congratulations for showing this fighter attitude. Thank you so much.